The five main components are proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and fats. Am I correct?
Well done, son. But did you know? In addition to those five components, they provide water and fiber as well.
Now I understand the importance of water, Dad. But fibers? Excuse me.
Let me tell you, water and fiber are important in many ways, but most importantly, water regulates your body temperature, while fiber helps you eliminate waste from your body more easily.
Phew, that's much easier to understand. Thank you, Dad.
We should head inside. It's getting quite late, and your mom will be waiting for us.
Alright, let's go inside. Mom, we are home.
What took you so long today? Wash your hands and come. I've prepared some sandwiches.
Alright, Dad, continue. It was just getting exciting.
Wait, before that, let me test if you still remember the components of nutrients.
Well, I'm so ready. Test me.